Here we have two of the exact same phones getting fixed. iPhone XR, both blue in color. Let's get started. All right, we got that cracked screen off. We're gonna go ahead and clean up this housing, put a new adhesive on here, and get it done. Terrible screen. There we have it. We got one iPhone XR done. And let's get started on the other one. Let's get her on the heating pad. Missing the SIM tray. This is always a red flag when opening a phone. Yeah, red flag. We got the new screen installed. We're gonna go ahead and test her out before we close her up. All right, and there we have it. Both iPhone XRs are done and ready to be picked up. Here's the before and here's the after.